Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to back up your iPhone contacts to your iCloud. So to actually back up your iPhone contact to your iPhone to your iCloud, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do, I want you to go to your settings on your iPhone. So once you get to your settings, I want you to tap on your Apple account. That is the first thing you see at the top. So you want to tap on that. So once you tap on your Apple account, on this page, I want you to tap on iCloud. So let's tap on iCloud. So once you tap on iCloud, it's going to show you this page. I want you to scroll down a little bit. Once you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see a place where it says iCloud backup. So I want you to tap on that iCloud backup. So guys, once you tap on that iCloud backup, it will show you this page. As you can see on this page, it says backup this iPhone. I have it turned on. That is, my iPhone will always back up automatically. So if you want to back up your contact, so what you just have to do is, if you check at the bottom of this backup this iPhone, you are going to see where it says backup now. So I want you to tap on that backup now, and your contact and all other things on your phone will be backed up to your iCloud successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually back up your contact to your iCloud on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.